welcome to the advanced seminar. If you're earning 6 or 7 figures remotely, your current tax strategy is costing you 5 figures annually. This isn't about evasion. This is about strategic legal compliance. Today we break down the definitive blueprint for non-U.S. persons to use a specific U.S. structure to legally achieve zero U.S. tax liability on their globally sourced income. This strategy is completely legal, highly effective, and requires absolute precision. The cornerstone of this entire strategy is the single-member LLC, or SMLLC, owned by a non-U.S. person. For U.S. tax purposes, this SMLLC is considered a disregarded entity. This means the LLC itself is disregarded, and all income and expenses are attributed directly to you, the foreign owner. Crucially, if that LLC does not engage in what the IRS calls effectively connected income, or ECI, meaning income derived from a trade or business actually conducted within the U.S., then your income is not subject to U.S. federal income tax. The money can flow right through that foreign bank account. It's not secret. Global regulators are watching every single deposit. Avoid the crippling fines. We expose the FATCA and CRS mistakes high net worth nomads make. Don't settle for a territorial tax rate of 15 or 20%. That's still too much. The only goal is zero. We analyze the safest, legitimate zero tax countries for founders. Residency isn't a vacation. It's a strategic corporate defense shield. We show you how to structure your assets while you enjoy global mobility and massive tax savings. Stop guessing and start securing your assets. We show you the definitive legal chain required to keep your capital safe from global regulators. Are you paying 20% on your gains? That's profit you're donating. Learn the legal strategy to multiply your investment returns instantly by shifting jurisdiction.